Math is magic. Let me show you. Do you have your magic wand ready? I'm ready if you are. Let's tap our wands and see what happens. Ready, go. Okay, kindergartners, you've built your sight facts for 10. Now let's say the sight facts for 10. Are you ready? Repeat after me. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now it's your turn. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We're halfway through. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Did I forget one sight facts, kindergartners? I sure did. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, kindergartners, are you ready to use the skills that we practiced today to play a math game? You are? Great. I have a set of cluster cards that I will be using for the game that I'm going to play with you here online. But if you'd like to play this game at home, you can use a regular set of cards. Let's get started. Alright, kindergartners, are you ready to play? I have put all of the cluster cards down facing up so that you can see all of the cluster combinations. This will make it easier to see and identify the combinations of 10. That's the goal. We are going to try to find as many combinations of 10 as we can. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. I hope that you can see the cards. I'm going to hold them up so that you can see them a little bit better. Are you ready? Oh, we have a visitor that's just going to come play with us. That's okay. All right, I am going to choose the number 6. I know that this is a 6 because there's 3 on this side and 3 on this side. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus what equals 10? I think I'm looking for a 4. That's right. Can you check to make sure this makes 10? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Am I right? Good. Now I get to keep this set. These are mine. So if you're playing with someone else, they can take a turn and you can see how many sets that each one of you get to determine the winner. All right, let's try another one. I know that this card has 4 on one side and 4 on the other and 2 in the middle. And 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. So do I need to match this with another card? Well, one of the sight facts was 10 plus 0. So let's find a card that has 0 on it. There we go. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Nice job. Okay, let's see. I have 5. 5, I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. Where is it? Oh, There it is. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Nice job. All right. I'm just going to pick one up because there's a couple of them that look similar. So maybe there's multiple different arrangements of cards that I'm going to be experiencing as well. 2. I know 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now, 8 is a big number, so I'm going to look closely at my cards. Oh, this one has 4 on one side and 4 on the other. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. I've got it. Okay, let's look at a bigger card first. Oh, this is a card that all of you guess because you know that there's a lot. But there's a trick involved in identifying this as the number 10. It is, look at this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Before you shout out 10 the next time you see this card, make sure that you pay attention and have a strategy for knowing that this is the 10 card. Alright, so 10 plus what equals 0? 10 plus 0 equals 10. That's right. And 0 plus 10 equals 10. That's correct. Okay, let's look at this one. I like this card. It kind of reminds me of 2 different cards that I've seen in the cluster card deck. There's a 6 and there is a 3. And I know 6 plus 3 more equals, what is it? You're right, it's 9. 6 plus 3 more equals 9. All right, now 6 plus 3 more equals 9, but 9 plus what equals 10? Did you say 1? You're right, 9 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. You guys are getting really good at this. Okay. Oh, there's another 9 card, but this is arranged differently, isn't it? Let's see if we can find that one. Here we go. How is that arranged differently? And they have the same numbers. 6 plus 3 more equals 9, but 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Isn't that cool? All right, carrying on. So we already know 9 plus what equals 10? 9 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. Good job. All right, we have 4 more cards left. Let's start out with this one. What number is this? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2 more equals 8. That's right. 8 plus what equals 10? Did you say 8 plus 2 equals 10? Look at it closely. Are you right? Yes, nice job. You are right. 8 plus 2, is 10. Nice job. I hope that the last 2 equal 10 because they're the only 2 left. This one is, what number is it? Oh, you're going to use the strategy that I used last time. There is 3 on one side, 3 on the other, and that's 6. Plus 1 more is 7. Another strategy that I use is I look at this. This looks like a 5 to me, and I know 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus how many more equal 10? 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 3 plus 7 equals 10. Boys and girls, you named all of the card combinations that we had in our deck. To make this game a little bit more challenging, you can play a game of memory. You will start with the cards facing down. You will still follow the same rules that you did with the game that we just played. The goal is to make combinations of 2 numbers that make 10. Boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me in math today. I had so much fun with you, and I hope that you have a great weekend.